We've had a number of inquiries recently where people have been working with drawings that have come from the AutoCAD world, and they try and work with them in GCAD Plus and get some distance along the track, but often run into difficulty. Here's an example. If I select that particular block, it's called call out 1, and if I come in here and try and edit it, there's actually a rectangle in there and a piece of text in white on a white background. So we would need to come to Tools and where are we? Draw Order and move the text to the front. And even then we're not doing too well because the color is foreground. Let's give it red just to see if we can. Yes, now we can see the text. So can you imagine, and let's close there, can you imagine that it's not unreasonable that when you start getting down the track working with this base plan, which came from AutoCAD, it brings all sorts of blocks and things with it. That here's that call out 1, call out 2, existing trees, and if I scroll down here, there are various groups. Can you see there's the base point there, the little red marker, cross marker, and here's the actual block down here. So the drawing is not tidily organized, and to me it's no wonder that when we try and export, say, an AutoCAD drawing or a DXF exchange file going back to an architect that may have provided this, that we run into difficulty. So we've actually upgraded our notes on dealing with AutoCAD drawings. They have an extension, file extension DWG. So I'll just move to that and show you that updated set of notes. So here we are on the GCAD Plus website, and if you search for just DWG, you come across a number of papers. This one, Convert AutoCAD DWG to GCAD Plus. And the reason I picked this one is that it explains the background to all of it and gives you step-by-step ways to take the AutoCAD DWG and turn it into an exchange file which has the DXF extension. And once you've done that, we have tools in GCAD Plus which can bring in that DXF file, and you can work with it quite easily, and a lot of those block problems that we've alluded to here will disappear. So worth updating your own knowledge, I think, if you are asked by a client or an architect to work with an AutoCAD file.